Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the trading journey. Today I bring you guys bad news about the two XFAs I was trading. Hence I say was because I blew the accounts today because of fucking Trump. I was in sales on NAS1 or on NQ, and then I looked at my phone, right? I look at the notifications on my phone. It says something about the war, and it has a fucking red dot next to it. Somebody tweeted about Israel or some shit, like fucking bombings or something, from Financial Juice. And then I looked at the chart. That shit just dumped and then pumped it right after, and then that shit just fucking blew my account. It blew my account because I couldn't handle couldn't handle the loss because I was up, but I did not put my stops to break even because I knew that I was convinced that it was gonna go lower to the previous day low, but I guess I was wrong, and that shit had a false break of the London low. And that shit just fucking pumped up right after. It pumped up before market close, so around 1 p.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time. And then that shit just fucking took me out. And then that blew my account. The accounts were sitting at 1260. And that news that just dropped when I was trading, it blew everything in the account. Two XFAs are gone, but good thing I still have the 3 combines that I was trading last time, or not last time, that I was trading with the XFAs. It's sad that I lost 2 other XFAs just to pass these 3. These combines are almost passed. They need basically 900 more bucks, and that's pretty easy, to be honest. But yeah, I was in shorts on these bullshits down here, and bruh, to be honest, I wasn't gonna trade today, but then I saw a good opportunity and I thought it was gonna fucking dump. And then right when I fucking entered, it started chopping around for 30, maybe an hour. And right after the chop, a new candle opened, and then that shit just fucking goddamn ripped the fuck up and then killed my ass. Don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I got my money's worth out of those 2 accounts. They were only I got them on a discount. I think I bought them like 80 something dollars a pop. So investment on those 2 accounts were like 100 something. I got a payout for 2,200. So I'm not too mad of it, but it sucks that it blew because of the fucking Trump news and all that. And I guess it is my fault because I told myself I wasn't gonna trade, because I took a trade in London and I banked for small profits, and then I guess I just want to chase the profits, and then that just ended up making me lose all the money that I was building up for goddamn a month and a half now. So, but it's all good. I can always restart and build something new, which I am right now. So yeah, this is just a little update on my trading, or not my trading, but the accounts, or yeah, just update in general since my last payout, or my first payout. So I'm not discouraged because I know the markets are not really ideal because of all the war going on and stuff. Honestly, I think I might sit out the rest of the March. If I don't see something good, then I'll sit out the rest of the March and then wait for April, and hopefully April is better and everything just calms down, better price action, better setups. But yeah, if I don't wait for if I see a setup and this shit, then I'll let you guys know when I pass the account, or I'll let you guys know once I get another payout from these accounts, these 3 accounts. I'm actually pretty excited trading with 3 easy accounts. I'm gonna lock in with these accounts, try to get like at least 3,000 out of them, or maybe the same amount that I got last time. But realistically, I want to shoot for a bigger payout, just so like I can prove to myself that I can make this money from trading and make a larger scale from trading. And yeah, I just want to prove to myself that this shit is possible, and like following my plan and everything is just, it works and all that. I just want to prove myself that this shit is possible. Yes, I got a payout, but that is only one payout. Like, you can do it once, but can you do it twice and repeat those payouts? That's really what I want to like prove to myself. I want to see if I can consistently get payouts, which I believe I can. It just comes down to me. Like I said, if I didn't trade today, everything would have been good. Like, I would have still had my 2 XFAs. I would have had these combines. I mean, these combines were so close to passing. I would have had 5 XFAs, but it's all good. I can always buy those 2 accounts. Plus, I think they have a code going on for a discount, but I don't think I'm gonna buy 2 other accounts right now, just because I can buy those 2 accounts later on, because 3 accounts right now is enough to make good bread, and I can use that payout money to buy another account, or another 2 accounts. And yeah, so I'm not gonna just freaking rinse my bank account into this shit. I'm actually gonna just lock in and like get these payouts from these accounts so I could get my money's worth, because I believe I spent like maybe $300-400 on these accounts, including the XFAs that I just blown. So yeah, it might be around that area. I mean, it might be around that price range. So I just want to get my money's worth from these 3 accounts, and who cares where they go after the payout. I mean, ideally I want to keep them, but if I blow them again, which I hope I don't, then I'll just keep on buying another account. And then yeah, I've been thinking about like buying an account, an XFA, and then full port that 1 XFA, and then just freaking get a like $5,000 payout. But I don't know, we'll see. I think slower is better than just fast profits and like, you know, just all that. But yeah, we'll see. I really want to do it, but I gotta keep myself from doing that shit. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I know this video is short, it's only 10 minutes. Yeah, so these accounts were, yeah, $900 away, and no XFAs right now, but I did have 2 payouts, and yeah, so I'm proud of myself, or I'm proud of the payouts. I'm not proud of myself yet, because I'm not where I want to be at in life in terms of trading. And yeah, so I know I can do better than this, and I know I can scale up my payouts. So it just comes down to me, and I'm gonna prove to myself and prove to you guys, the traders that suffer break evens and just suffer, like, I know what you guys are going through, spending a lot of money on prop firms, passing the XFAs, and then blowing those XFAs right after, and never getting a payouts from those XFAs. I know how that feels. I've been there, done that, and what really changed that for me was the mindset. behind trading. I no longer chased the profit when I was on these 2x phase. I just kept on risk managing, risk 200, and then kept the losses to minimum, and then I got the payout. And yeah, so I know that's not really good advice. I know I suck at advice. But yeah, just keep trading, bro. Like, if I could do it, then so you guys can do. I mean, if I could do it, then so you guys can too. So I'm nothing special. I'm just a normal human being. Came from 9 to 5. I don't work a job now because I got fired. So financially I'm not doing well, but I'm hanging in there. And yeah. And me being not financially stable right now is making me want to push harder and actually lock in, you know. I say that right now, but I just blew my 2x phase, but that's just not shit, you know. 2,200 from a $200 investment, bro. That's a 10 times right there. That's a 10x. But yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later, and I'll update you guys with the next payout. Peace out, guys.